Wow, look everyone. Wow, there are so many toys covered in mud. Wow, really muddy. All right, everyone, let's gather them all up. Oh, I've already prepared a place to put them. Okay, let's take this one first. Hey, what animal is this? Wow, it's really dirty. Haha, so cool. It must be a zebra. Let's gather it up, guys. Wow, awesome. This must be a jet plane. Wow, weapons. Looks like a tank. Wow, this one must be a jeep. And this one with the long neck is probably a giraffe. And here's probably a bear. Wow, this is a rescue vehicle, so cool. And here's a motorcycle. Wow, a zebra again. I don't know what animal has such big horns. Another motorcycle here. A really cool military vehicle. And here's probably a lion. Look, everyone! I've gathered all the toys. Now let's go clean them together. Okay, now let's wash these muddy toys clean. Wow, there's a lion. The lion looks really cool. I'll keep washing. Military vehicle. Awesome. Okay, everyone, I'll continue washing now. Wow, a tank, so awesome. He's so cool, a military vehicle. Oh, that's a deer. What animal is this? Wow, it's a zebra. Oh, this is a rescue vehicle. Look, everyone, here's a motorcycle. A super cool toy, a jet fighter plane. Wow, hey, who's this? It has 4 legs, everyone. Wow, a panda. Wow, so cool. Okay, everyone, what's the next vehicle? A motorcycle. All right, everyone, look. All the muddy toys have been cleaned up. Goodbye for now.